Nadu Meghalaya, aduh mentak pakai boleh.
movement. I can win 3A. Just be patient. Bear with us for just few minutes.
Da ki banner bat plakan ki badawa ban pentre kamno ek ina line permanent ra ki dekhot ka Khasi student union ki blayang hashlinter ki surok hashlong ha ka jingya linti jong menteri kampo yeng ka ri u Amit Shah ki no yakhi ki Pynpah ki jing angno jong ki Paidbah ka Jylla Meghalaya ba ka sorkar pleng kan shimkhiano ye ki jing Dawa Ilp ka bla dep ban minjur da ka dor bar thau an Meghalaya hinre kadang ap ye ki jing minjur na ka sorkar India Hage jo kapor bon ki Paidbah ki basa kod hage jing heng kali namar ka jing khang shipor ki surok na ka binta ka jing yad ki VIP ki Pynpah ye ka jing bitar da ka ba pinsawajor ye ki hon kali ki Paidbah ki kinno ba kani ka rukom pinlong ka pinwit ya ka let kawan jong ki Paidbah bat ki Pynpah ya ka jing bom smotenan halor ka jing yadai ki VIP ka ba palat pun ka KSU kala ong ba ka jing ki kalong ka bajai jai bat ka thmu ban pin kan mawi ka sorkar pedeng halor ka jing Dawa ILP ka bla slam bha jong ki Paidbah ka Jylla
No, there is no permission, no permission. Yes, tell me, give me permission. Did you take permission for the protest? Why the protest? Yeah, that's what. Did you take protest? No. That's what I am telling you. Please don't obstruct. We are doing duty here. No, this is not the way. Please. Yeah. Please remove. Yeah. Get it removed. Please. Take it. No. Now you do it. If you don't know, then we have to. Yeah, please. See, I cannot wait so long. Please.
We'll remove, sir.
Remove. Now.
We just want to express our view. That's all, sir. It's not that we will create a problem. It's just a peaceful protest.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, हाँ इस तरफ में आ जाओ तो ये थोड़ा फोर्स लेके आ जाओ यहाँ पे ये प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं अभी वो आपका प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है Nadu Meghalaya, aduh mentak pakai boleh.
movement. I can win 3A.
State holiday, declare state holiday. You are running. You are for the public.
You have to read the instructions. I need to
State holiday, declare state holiday. This is not fair. This is not fair. We are blocking all the ways.
How can we go now?
We have only to reach our work. You understand our problem. We are
We're not gonna get extra time also.
You have to understand.
We are suffering. We also have to. We are suffering. This person should not belong Home Minister.
Once we reach office very late, we will be transferred to remote places. Who will help us at that time?
Just few minutes. Just few minutes.
Few minutes have been waiting long enough, yeah.
Be patient. Bear with us for just few minutes. Look, we are also as that is why Minin Jylla me
He's from your Khubor area, sir. He's from your Khubor area, sir. Please be very honest. We didn't get anything. Kalau di kita sudah diberi apa-apa, di bayar dan syuting, bayar dan mesti tahu ini.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.